Concut concrete cutting uses the latest top quality industrial equipment and ensures a prompt professional service at a great price. Locally owned and operated and based in Christchurch for the last 30 years, we service all of the Canterbury region. Diamond core drilling techniques are used when a precise circular penetration is needed. Holes up to 600 millimeters in diameter can be drilled to 20 meters in depth. Slab sawing is the most commonly used diamond method. It is typically used to cut horizontal flat surfaces such as floors, bridge decks and pavement. Compared to jackhammering, slab sawing is less time consuming, far less noisy and creates less stress to structural areas. Hydraulic braking and removal. Perfect for confined areas, hydraulic cutting and braking, as well as bursting and crushing. This method is fume-free and creates less noise than conventional cutting methods. Hydraulic cutting and braking can be done in and around other tradespeople and busy work environments with minimal distraction to other workers, creating as little interruption as possible. Concut offers the newest technique in concrete cutting, allowing the cutting of walls and slabs of unlimited thickness. The wire saw system uses a series of guide pulleys to draw a continuous loop of diamond impregnated wire through concrete. Handheld sawing techniques are generally used for smaller jobs where it's faster and more cost-effective than using other cutting methods. The hand saw can be used to cut on walls or floors and can cut up to 10 inches deep. Concut provides partial demolition services to prepare structures for reconstruction. Selective demolition involves the demolition of only specifically designated portions of a structure. We have the experience, expertise, equipment and personnel to perform the most difficult selective demolition projects. Concut has experience working in fully functional hospitals, public schools, shopping malls and busy downtown streets. Concut is not only safety conscious and are site-safe members, they also care for the environment. As concrete cutting and drilling methods are a water-cooled process, they produce a lot of concrete slurry. Concut collect the slurry from the site and dispose of it in an appropriate, environmentally friendly manner. Concut also have a large fleet of diggers, excavators and tip trucks, making no job too big or too small. So, for all your concrete cutting needs, call Concut, the South Island's largest concrete cutting and concrete drilling service provider.